In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the Microsoft Store using the run command method. If your Microsoft Store is not opening correctly, downloads are stuck, or apps are behaving strangely, this quick reset can often help clear things up. The good news is that it only takes a moment, and you do not need to change any advanced settings. To begin, go to your keyboard and press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This will open the Run dialog box, which is a small window used to launch commands directly in Windows. If you have never used it before, do not worry. This is completely normal and very easy to follow. Once the Run box appears, click into the text field if it is not already active, and type wsreset.exe exactly as shown. Be sure to enter it as one word. This command tells Windows to clear the Microsoft Store cache, which can fix temporary issues without removing your apps or changing your account information. After you have typed it in, click the OK button to run the command. As soon as you do, a blank black window will appear on your screen. This is expected, so do not close it yourself or try to interact with it, just let it run in the background. Now simply wait for that black window to close on its own. Depending on your system, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. Once the process is finished, the Microsoft Store should open automatically. At that point, the reset is complete, and you can test the store again to see if the issue has been resolved. If you were following along, that is all there is to it.